Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a fast throw grenade without a time delay. So, firstly click your loadout, choose the grenade or whatever little weapon, your favorite little weapon. So for this video I choose to using this grenade frag one. Let's try to the gameplay. Start. In this mode you don't have to wait to throw your grenade or throw your little weapon. So welcome to the gameplay. I give you an example. If you turn off the setting, let's try one more time. I'm throwing, as you can see there are 3 second, 2 second there are time limit to throw your grenade. But if you want to quick throw, let's try this setting. Click the setting, click the basic, turn on fast throw grenade. Let's see the difference. So this is different. If you see that before the grenade take 5 seconds to throw, but this time it will be quicker than before. Let's try to throw the grenade. See? No need to wait. The grenade already launched. So thank you for today and thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.